Welcome, Pop-Up Culture Shop. Today we're going to be unpacking the Death Note purse. Been waiting for this item to come in. Apparently they had to get it. Apparently they ordered it not in the States. They had it made overseas from what my sources tell me. So I was like, okay, cool. So this is why this one took a little longer to come. This one and the hats took a little longer to come in for some reason with my original order. Boom. A nice mesh bag, which I like. The strings, so you tighten it. Boom, boom. Oh, they even have it in a, I might need to open it a little bit. Get a little tease. Ooh. Put this down for a second. Nothing else in the bag. Boom. This is a nice bag though. Boom. I use this to carry my deck. Unironically. I might just do the little satchel and just have it in there. Boom. Little tape protecting it. Oh wow. Made from premium leather. It reads, "The human whose name is written in this note shall die. This note will not take effect unless the writer has the person's face in their mind when writing his or her name. Therefore, people sharing the same name will not be affected. If the cause of death is written within 40 seconds of written the person's name, it will happen. After writing the cause of death, details of the death should be written in the next 6 minutes and 40 seconds." Man, throwing me back to this show. So goddamn good. Oh, so like just looking at this, it looks like just a regular book. But now I give you a little look so you can see that in the actual pages, or the camera might just pick it up. But ooh, that's cool. These are magnetic, so it just closes. That's magnetic. Boom. Boop. Bubble wrap. Little obligatory Team Liquid Death Note item labeler. I like to go with these things because these things are very easy to take off, and they don't do too much damage to the cloth materials that we do use for the shirts, hoodies, and such. Or if anything, they try to do it on an item where it doesn't affect the clothing whatsoever. Because I remember with the Naruto collab, Naruto stuff, they messed up a lot of the shirt seams and stuff. And now, in the bag you don't have too much space, but enough for your back. But you do have like a little tight stuff just for like a wallet or something. And then, ooh, almost all their accessories come with this little cute heart accessories. I'm gonna do a deeper dive on the other products. I'll probably do like a product review probably like once a week. Since just because I bought so much stuff from these guys. But yeah, almost all their accessories come with this little dangly thing, which I think is really cute. Really cute. And reminiscent of the girlfriend. And also came with a strap. Let me go ahead and put the strap on. Yeah. Ooh. Boom. Oop. There you as shown in the show, as shown in the lookbook. And one thing that's really cool about this, they added rivets. They added rivets to the hanger, so you can make it longer or shorter to your preference. Not too many holes in here, but you can at least make it a little taller or bigger, depending on your style. And for me, I prefer I like having a little more wiggle room, so it's not just a complete body bag. I like it having hanging from the side or just having it in the back. But we'll make it work. Because for the most part, it's just for the items that you don't want to carry in your pockets. That's what bags are for. So for items you don't want to carry in your pockets. Like girl wallets, for some reason, they have to be, girl wallets have to be like this wide. Yeah, overall, good bag, good stuff. Probably gonna make this a little longer because I am a big boy. I think it's a little longer. But yeah, good item, good stuff. Team Liquid, keep killing it with these anime collabs, and I'll keep getting it. Alrighty guys, take it easy. Pop Up Culture Shop, signing out.